Yeah. Actually, nobody's online. Yeah. Let's see how many people are online today. It's a pleasure to be here. Yeah, it's been a while coming online and doing this usual stuff. So yeah, this video is for if you are really interested in learning how to write code, learn how to create or to get yourself an AI course or a tech related course. Please, I will advise you to watch this video to the end. So sorry, I'm doing script reading. I'm planning on working on some script tonight, so yeah, I'll be fine. So what comes to mind when you're working on project and projects feel like I don't want to do anything. Like literally I don't want like taking all those projects, touching like most times the workflow is kind of like it's just the bare minimum. Like most times I make use of 80/20 rules of somebody's online. Wow. Let's see. Wow. Yeah, good day everyone. I have people watching me. Wow, this is crazy. This is massive. So yeah, good day everyone. Welcome to this live stream. My name is Isaac. If you're joining us for the first time, kindly drop on the chat box. If you're joining us for the first time, kindly drop on the chat box. Yeah. If you're joining us for the first time, kindly drop I on the chat box. I'm trying to see if I could. If you're joining us for the first time, can you drop on the chat box? My name is Isaac and welcome to this live stream. To this live stream, we're talking about AI, we're talking about tech. So if you're passionate about tech, yeah, if you're passionate about AI, kindly watch this live stream to the end. Yes, if you have not subscribed now, kindly subscribe to this channel. Subscribe for more tech and AI related video. Yeah, Jeep guy, welcome to this live stream. If you're watching us for the first time, welcome to this live stream. My name is Isaac, and to this live stream, we'll be talking about tech, we'll be talking about AI and stuff like that. So, it was funny. Why are you laughing? why you do laugh? Why you do laugh? Why did you laugh? Yeah, welcome to this live stream. Let me put on my eyeglass. Sorry, this is my eyeglass. Yeah, huge. Yeah, welcome to this live stream. Welcome to this live stream, everybody. So if you're watching it for the first time, Ramod, sorry, your name sounds, sorry, Erica, welcome to this live stream. Hi to you. Yeah, if you're watching for the first time, don't mind my glass. Just focus on what I am saying. Focus on my verbal. Don't look at this high glass. So, welcome to this live. My name is Isaac, and to this live, we're talking about like. So, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe now. Subscribe now to this YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe now. If you have hit that subscribe button, say I in the what, or say subscribe in the chat box. If you are subscribed, kindly subscribe now. Say subscribe in the chat box. Kindly say subscribe in the chat box. If you have subscribed, kindly say subscribe in the chat box. And let's move further now. So if you're passionate about tech, if you're passionate about AI, this is the best time for you to join the trend now. So the most trending topic now, the most trending buzzword now is what? Is agentic AI. So if you're passionate about learning how to write code, yes, I think you can say NS AI to teach you how to write code too. Yeah, thank you, JPEG. Thank you. So if you are subscribed, kindly drop subscribe in the chat box. Let's talk about tech. Let's talk about agentic AI in this live stream. So if you're watching for the first time, my name is Isaac, and today's live stream we're talking about tech, we're talking about AI, we're talking about software engineering. So that's just what this live stream is all about. So if you have just subscribed, if you are just seeing for the first time, welcome and welcome on board. So if you are subscribed, kindly drop subscribe on the chat box. Then let's move further. Kindly drop subscribe on the chat box and let's move further. Nobody is responding. So what are you learning in this? If you are into tech, can you drop tech in the chat box? If you're into tech, I have at least 5 people that are watching me now. At least 5 people are watching me. So if you're into tech, can you drop tech in the chat box? If you're into tech or you are really passionate about tech, can you drop tech in the chat box? If you're into tech or you are passionate about tech, can you drop that word tech in the chat box? Thank you, Jeep Guy 4.0 for your subscribe. So let's talk about tech. Let's talk about agentic AI on this live stream. Let's talk about tech. Let's talk about agentic AI on this live stream. Let's talk about tech. Let's talk about agentic AI on this live stream. Nobody's responding. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello. Nobody. 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 Hello. Hello, welcome to this live stream. My name is Isaac. Welcome to this live stream. We welcome on board. Yes, in today's live stream, we're talking about agentic AI, we're talking about software engineering, we're talking about tech and stuff like that. So if you're watching for the first time, can you drop on the chat box? Can you drop on the chat box? Let's talk about it. I'm trying to maintain my steez, yes, in this live stream. I'm trying to maintain my steez, but my steam, my steez and composure. So if you're watching for the first time, welcome to this live stream. Welcome on board. Yes, and today's live stream, we're talking about tech, we're talking about AI, talking about software engineering and stuff like that. So if you're watching for the first time, can you drop on the chat box? Yeah. Hi everyone. If you're watching for the first time, can you drop on the chat box? Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Yeah, Jeep guy. How are you, Jeep guy? How are you doing today, Jeep guy? How are you doing today, Jeep guy? How are you doing today, Jeep guy 4.0? How are you doing today, Jeep guy 4.0? How are you doing today, Jeep guy 4.0? So if you're watching for the first time, welcome to this live stream. Into this video, into this live stream, we're talking about tech. We're talking about AI, software engineering, IoT, stuff like that. Yeah. If you're watching for the first time, can you drop hi on the chat box? If you're watching for the first time, can you drop on the chat box? If you're oh, what are you learning about tech or AI? If you're watching for the first time, yeah, Jeep guy, what are you learning? Jeep guy, how are you doing today, Jeep guy? What's this? Jeep guy, what are you learning? Jeep guy, Jeep guy, Jeep guy, what are you learning in tech? So hello everyone. Hello if you're watching me for the first time. My name is Isaac. Welcome to this live stream. In today's live stream, we're talking about tech, we're talking about AI, we're talking about software engineering, we're talking about agentic AI. So agentic AI is just one aspect of AI that involve agentic, that involve agents. Don't put it that way. Don't let me just use crazy words here. That involve what? Agents. So agentic AI involve agents. Olaiwo Opeyemi. Hi today. Hi, how are you doing today, Olaiwola Opeyemi? This name sounds Yoruba. Are you a Yoruba person, Olaiwola Opeyemi? This name sounds Yoruba. Yeah, this name literally sounds Yoruba. So if you, yeah, I think this is I think this will be the second time I'll be having a Yoruba person watching for the first time on this live stream. The first time a Yoruba person was on the live stream that was last month or so when I had this live stream. I think this is our first live stream in this new month. So Olaiwola, how are you doing today? Jeep guy, how are you doing today? How are you doing today? How was your day? Hope you are doing well. Hope your day has been going on well. Olaiwola, Opeyemi, hope your day has been going on well. Jeep guy, what's up? What are you up to at the moment? What are you learning in tech or here at the moment? Tell me about it. Let's talk about it now. Jeep guy, Olaiwola. Oh my God, why? So I usually don't come out. Sometimes I feel shy to come on this live stream and make videos and make live stream like this. Sometimes I literally feel shy, but sometimes you don't need to feel shy about what you are into. If you have a craft and you are good at that craft, you should be able to learn how you could distribute or how you could market that craft. Distribute when it comes to distribution, I can literally preach or what? I can actually preach. When it comes to distribution, it must be something. It must when it comes to distribution, it must be services oriented. And when it's service oriented and you are a skill person, I have to prioritize my service. Yeah. Do you understand? When you prioritize your service, it's just make it easier for you to distribute it across. Maybe I want to distribute it across every social media I belong to. For example, I'm doing this live stream is part of distribution. I make a post on Facebook, it's part of distribution. I make a post on TikTok, it's also part of distribution. And in one way or other, I'm doing some marketing too. So distribution and marketing works hand in hand in this tech career, in this tech niche. Do you understand? So if you can able to productize your service or productize your skill set, that is a distribution on its own. Do you understand? If that is what we call core distribution, and it works hand in hand with what marketing, because without marketing, I won't be able to deliver or distribute those services, those productized services very well. Do you understand? Those are the things I'm learning lately too about marketing and distribution as a software engineer, Do you understand? So it's just part of something cool, something now inspiring, something you should be able to learn. So yeah, it's something I need to learn also, like literally every time. So yeah, my name is Isaac, and if you're watching for the first time, it would be all inspiring if you could just take to the end of this live stream, so you could learn from one another, from each other, and let's see what's up. Yeah. So as I've been talking, I have been talking so far on marketing and distribution, and like yeah. So good day, everyone. Welcome to this live stream. My name is Isaac. Yeah, my name is Isaac. Yeah. Sometimes I don't feel shy being able to talk in front of camera. Literally, it was unlike this before because again, briefly, was Mr. Olaiwola. Mr. Olaiwola, can you hear me, Mr. Olaiwola? I don't understand what you mean by Egina bricklayer. Egina bricklayer. What is distribution? What do you think when you hear that word distribution or marketing? Marketing and distribution is just being able to strategize how you could distribute to market your business. Is it your product, or service? Might not literally be a service. Might be a what? Might be a product that you are selling, a physical product that you are selling. So physical product and physical, like the opposite of a physical product is also a service, because literally I can have an invisible product which is a service, air quotes. So this I just see also something you need to be able to like learn how to could distribute that kind of service. And when you learn how to distribute that kind of service, I distribute it very well across where those domains, where those people where you know your prospect, your client will come from. When you learn how to distribute it very well, the rest is just like a biscuit to you. So those are the things. Yeah, I think I just have to like keep on working on that very well and lately, because it really goes a long way if I'm able to do that very well and effectively well for myself, for my product, for my services, and for people that are watching me. So Mr. Olaiwola, if you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? Let's talk about something interesting. This is almost like 20 minutes on this live stream. Mr. Olaiwola, how are you doing today? Jeep guy, I'm yet to hear from you. I'm yet to hear anything from Mr. Jeep guy. If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? Mr. Olaiwola, you've not said anything. Mr. Jeep guy, I'm yet to hear from you. Hi everyone. If you're active, you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? Nobody's responding. Yeah, seems like I might end this live stream very soon. I end this live stream very soon. It's like for something more better, something more productive for now. Let me even check what I'm working on at the moment. Yeah.
Yes, Udo, wait. Yes, Udo, wait. I'm talking to you.
Can you drop a line? Trying to do some videos that I want to post today.
Udo, wait.
Yeah. I'm trying to say this.
Yes, Udo, wait. I'm talking to you. Yes, Udo.
I end this live stream very soon because I don't have anybody watch me for now. Yeah, it's ideal in this live stream as soon as possible so I can focus on something more productive for now. Yeah, I believe this will be like this will be like ending this thing on a good note for now.
Yes, Udo, wait. I'm talking to you. Udo, I'm not talking to you. Yes, business owner, business CEO, business developer. This word is you to the end. Do you understand? If you're a business owner,
It's not to be in G, I'm serious. Let me about it out. Who is this? Who is this? It's just to be in jail, I'm serious. Let me about it out. Who is this? Who are you? You just come on my live stream and start saying trash. Do you know me? Do I know you? Who is this? Good everyone. If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? My name is Isaac and welcome to this live stream. So if you're watching for the first time, I believe it will be all inspiring if you can drop I in the chat box so you can make this communication, this conversation to be more interactive. Make this conversation to be more interactive, to be more cool for us. So yeah, more cool for us. So if you're watching for the first time, can you drop on the chat box? If you're watching for the first time, can you drop on the chat box? If you're watching for the first time, can you drop I on the chat box? If you're watching for the first time, if you're watching for the first time, can you drop on the chat box?
yes, Udo, wait. I'm talking to you. Udo, I'm not talking to you.
I can't. I'll remove this one. If you're watching for the first time, I'm still waiting for you guys' response. If you're watching me for the first time, kindly drop out in the chat box. If you're watching me for the first time, kindly drop out in the chat box. If you're watching me for the first time, Can you drop on the chat box? Hello? Hello? If you're watching for the first time, can you drop on the chat box?
Hey, I'm talking to you. Wait, hold on. Hold on, wait. I'm talking to you.
Wow. I'm doing some video editing while I'm still on live stream. And it's not easy to be into content creation. Like, it's literally not easy. Most times you'll be editing, sometimes you're making content, doing like multitasking at the same time. It's not like really easy to be into content creation. You might be working on client projects, working on your content, working on so many other things at the same time. But it's always good when you set priorities. So what I mean by priorities is, okay, what are the things that are mostly much more important to me? So those are something that you will have to be on the top part of your table, top part of your list. So so it's always good to be able to learn how to write code, build some code for yourself, and see where those projects are being are being used. Yeah, are being used. It's always so inspiring, kind of that kind of feeling. So yeah, I just thought about something cool lately, and I decided to like come up with it, and to like I just want to like share my knowledge yet and see where it leads to. So if you're into tech, if you're into AI, if you're into software engineering, I would believe I would want you to what to just drop a like on this video, because it will help to push more video to more people that are into tech, that are into more that are into AI, that are into software engineering, to get much more about this video, to know much more about this video, or to come across this video on their own FYP. Yeah, it helps algorithm to get the video to much more people out there. Yeah, I'm going back to my editing.
Hey, I'm talking to you. Wait, hold on.
Who is that?
Hold on, wait.
Who is
I'm
that?
talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Eh,
What are you interested in learning tech in this new month of March? Drop what you're interested in learning.
wow, I think I'll post this video. Sir. Wow, this is crazy, man. I love this. Yeah.
Hey, I'm talking to you. Wait, hold on. Hold on, wait. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. What are you Hey, I'm talking to you.
I think I'll cut it here. I'm doing some editing here, so sorry if my attention is diverted, kind of. So yeah, if my attention is diverted, kind of, I'm so sorry, so sorry, my people, so sorry, my people, so sorry, my people, so sorry, my people. So let's go back to what we're talking about. Sorry, my attention is kind of like diverted a bit, but I can still converse or communicate with you guys. So if you're watching me for the first time, if you're been on this live stream so far, the communication has not been like interactive as usual, but I can still communicate if you are still active on this live stream, and let's talk.
Hey, I'm talking to you. Wait, hold on. Hold on, wait. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. What are you interested in learning tech in this new month of March? Drop what you're interested in learning. Drop in the conversation. And let's discuss about it. Let's talk about it. Drop in the conversation. Now. And let's talk about it. I'm talking to you. You're looking at me. Drop in the conversation. And let's talk about it now. So I'll wait for your question. Thank you for watching and bye for now. Hey, I'm talking to you. Wait, hold on. Hold on, wait. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. What are you interested in learning tech in this new month of March? Drop what you're interested in learning. Drop in the conversation. And let's discuss about it. Let's talk about it. Drop in the conversation. Now. Hey, I'm talking to you. Wait, hold on. Hold on, wait. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Yeah, I'm
What are you
talking to
interested in learning tech?
I'm talking to you. Yes, you.
Drop what you're
I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you.
Now let's talk about it. I'm talking to
So
you.
yeah, if you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box? If you can hear me, can you drop on the chat box?
So I'll be waiting for your question. Thank you for watching and bye for now.
So if you're watching for the first time, can you drop on the chat box? Yeah, literally speaking, let's talk about tech. Let's talk about AI. How my eyes. It's not always easy to come up on this. Yeah, to come up on this live stream and just talk about something. Oh my gosh, I'll put on this live stream. Wow. So yeah, guys, thank you all for watching to this point. I'll be in this live stream for now. Possibly tomorrow I can just come out the same. I'll possibly tomorrow I'll come up on the same live stream to like discuss with you guys on what I've been working on lately. So thank you all for watching to this point and bye for now. I'm peacing out. I'm signing out for now. So catch you up. We'll catch you up guys later. Catch you up guys later. Catch up. So we'll talk later. So sorry, I'm in this live stream. So sorry, I'm in this live stream. So sorry. So I'll come up on this live stream tomorrow by God's grace. Yes, thank you all for watching and bye for now.